Long Black Train, Josh Turner. There's a long black train coming down the line, feeding off the souls that are lost and crying. Ways of sin, only evil remain. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. You can look to the heavens, you can look to the sky, find your redemption staring back into your eye. There's a protection and there's peace the same, burning your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and the holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. There's an engineer on that long black train, making you wonder if the ride is worth the pain. He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on that long black train. But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. Well, I can hear the whistle from a mile away. Sounds so good, but I must stay away. A train is a counterfeit, wishing everybody well, but its final destination is the pit of hell. Oh, victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. That devil's riding on that long black train. Don't get on that train.